You say relax, I'll lead the way.
What up, motherfuckers? Today we're gonna be installing an NRG steering wheel with little Milancito in the car, chilling. See, teaching him a couple of things. How to install NRG steering wheel. Right now we still have the OE Honda steering wheel, which we're gonna be installing quick release with the shortened hub. And the actual NRG gold player steering wheel. Hold it, Milan. See? There you go. Good job, yeah. Alright, so first off, probably just make a time-lapse video. Not too self-explanatory, but just we're gonna remove a cover here. Oh, you got it? He's like, what the heck? We gotta remove a cover, this cover here. There's I believe a 14mm bolt here. You wiggle it as hard as you can and it'll pop up. After that, you gotta install the hub. This one right here goes in there, and then you put the bolt or the nut you took off. Make sure you center it. Put the nut on there, tighten it up. Then you put the quick release with the Allen keys they've provided, Allen bolts, and they give you an Allen key to tighten it up. After that, you put the actual steering wheel on this hub here, or the Allen keys they provided too as well. These are horn wires for the horn, and there's for the horn wires inside too. So it's pretty much quick release. You can see, just kind of push back. There's a lock tab, lock button there, so it won't disengage when you're normally driving. That's like a safety mechanism. So you gotta actually push that little gold or that little platinum button right here to release the actual quick release. Milan's over here testing the steering wheel, make sure it's all good. Good. Yeah, I'm just gonna make a time-lapse video. Nothing too fancy, nothing too, just pretty simple install, quick install. Little Milancito.
Up the staircase in this darkened house, out through the window, we're away.
There you go. Oh yeah. Oh wow. You like him? Like good? Milan approves of it. Good job. So yeah, that was it for the quick release NRG. Quick release version 2.0, I believe. Quick release, I believe. Can you see here? It's whoa, see my eyes. Yeah. There you go. How's the steering wheel? Put it back on, Milan. Put it back on. Alright, that was it. NRG quick release version 2.0, I believe. Maybe 3.0. Install 91 CRX. Thanks for watching. Say bye bye, Milan. Bye. Wow, quick release también con Eddie's car. There we go. Yeah. Very own quick release steering wheel. ¿Cómo lo hacen? Do it again. Want to try this one? Alright, try this one. Come on. Try that one.